I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy LOFTEK 254 on YouTube. We got a package here. Ooh, batteries. I kind of might give it away. Maybe not. Here we have a package, a jump starter. This jump starter comes from LOFTEK Direct. LOFTEK Direct. It is a jump starter, but it's not just any jump starter. And let me show you why. This one is a LOFTEK car battery jump start with built-in LED light. But wait, there's more. Oh, look at that. That is a nice looking package. They got a nice little handy carrying case for your jump starter. Put it in your glove box, under your seat, whatever is most beneficial to you, but it definitely pays to have this. You can almost say it's priceless, because simple fact that if there's no one else around to give you a jump, you got your jump starter right with you under your seat. Ladies, you can probably put this in your purses. Fellas, throw it in the back of the truck, back of the car. You know how we do. Let's go ahead and unzip it here. I apologize for the shaky cam, but I am trying like a real world, no jump cut type of editing here. So, comes with some instructions. Comes with, so I guess this is what attaches to the device, and then you connect these to your battery. Negative and positive labels, so you cannot get it backwards. Just gotta pay attention to your battery. So then it has a protective cover. Looks like it also comes with a USB 3 connection where you can charge it. That's gonna come in real handy because it's gonna be faster than your regular USB 2.0, USB 3. Everything is pretty much switching over to it now, so that should do very well for you. Okay, so it is yellow, black and yellow. All the Pittsburgh fans, black and yellow, black and yellow. It's black and yellow just like the case. I really like how everything flows together. It does have the flashlight I was talking about. It's the input where you charge it. Output, so you can charge your phone or, you know, emergency, whatever. When you open up this port here, this looks to be where you plug the cables, jumper cables or whatnot. See there? Yeah, so open it up like that. That slides in there like that. Any other buttons? It looks like there's just one main button. So the ease of use should be fairly simple. As you can see, this is 1,000 amps. 1,000 amps. Look on the back, has a model number, capacity, starting current 500, peak current of 1,000 amps. So I mean, this is gonna be able to jumpstart your LS swaps, probably most SUVs and trucks with 1,000. So you probably won't be able to pull off starting a diesel, but yeah, anything else under that, you should be able to get it started. So we're gonna get it charged up because it's not fully charged. And I'm a believer of always charging everything to full capacity before you use it for the first time. And we'll bring you back and we'll jump something. All right, y'all, so we back. As you can see, we got our jump started all the way up. Caprice been sitting, so it definitely could use a jump. So we're gonna get it over here, get it hooked up. Pretty simple. Positive on positive, negative on negative, you know, like any other thing. Come over here. Looks like we got power. And she cranked right on up. So definitely something to keep in handy. You can put it in your glove box, under your back seat. Like I said, ladies, you can put it in your purse and be good to go. So I'll leave the link down in the description. But if you're thinking about grabbing this, then I would definitely recommend it. Till next time, it's your boy. LSR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life was all about choice to choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.